Today I'm going to teach you how to add optional attendees in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to include people who might benefit from attending a meeting but whose presence isn't absolutely required. It helps keep your invitations organized and lets attendees know whether they're essential to the meeting or simply welcome to join if they're available. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and sync your inbox. This initial step is important because you need to have everything properly loaded before you can start working with meeting invitations. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to add optional attendees to an Outlook meeting. Navigate to your inbox pane where you'll see all your received emails listed. From here, select the specific email you wish to turn into a meeting. Click on it to open and select it. Now look for the meeting button, which you'll find under the Respond section in your toolbar. This button is what transforms a regular email into a full meeting invitation with all the scheduling features you need. After clicking the meeting button, your email will convert into a meeting detail window. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice that under the Meeting tab, there's a dedicated field specifically for optional attendees. This field appears directly on the screen, making it easy to spot and use. Simply enter the email contact of the person you want to add as an optional attendee into this field. You can add multiple optional attendees if needed by continuing to type in additional email addresses. Once you've added all your optional attendees, you can now send your meeting schedule along with all the details. The system will automatically mark these contacts as optional, so when they receive the invitation, they'll know that their attendance is welcomed but not mandatory. This helps everyone understand their role in the meeting and makes planning much more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a meeting in Outlook with optional attendees, making your scheduling process more flexible and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.